Hi, you guys. So I have a very special kit opening right here. This is a new baby from Joanna Kazmierczak, and this baby is not available yet. But she did a very special little Dolls of the World special edition of only 20 kits, and I wasn't able to go to Dolls of the World this year, so I really want to say thank you to one of my wonderful students, Janie, who was able to get this kit for me and sent it to me because I was not there to buy it for myself and desperately wanted one. This is Iris. The special edition has 20 kits. Mine is number 18 of 20, so barely got one. And Iris is actually one of a set of twins. I really loved the sleeping version, so I just got the sleeping version. I did not get both of the twins, but let's take a look at Iris here. So she comes in this great little canvas bag from Joanna. And she has a signed body. You just dump all of these parts out here and let's get started. So this is Iris's face. And I just think she is like a super sweet, peaceful looking little kit. She's not little, you could see she's actually pretty big. I don't know exactly how big she is. Based on her head, I would say like 21 inches, but I'm not sure exactly. She has open hands, which I'm always a sucker for. And her vinyl looks, I don't want to, let me knock on some wood here. It looks really, really good. I thought that was an embedded spec, but it's not. It's just a couple little things on there. The sculpting is really great. She has a lot of, I don't even know if you guys can see it on camera, but she has a lot of really great little creases and wrinkles. Her vinyl looks great. If this is an indication of what the rest of the edition when it comes out will look like, it is a really great sign. I'm very happy with the vinyl. Oh, her feet are just amazing. She has these really great sculpted little tendons and little vein line. You could see like everything. Oh, the detail is just amazing. Oh, I love this baby. Her limbs are just absolutely amazing. Her face is very, very cute. I'm really happy with her. The vinyl quality looks absolutely fantastic. Pre-orders for this kit did just start. I'm not sure exactly when the release date is. I think it's going to be in about 3 to 6 months, but I can't remember. So if you have not pre-ordered yet, definitely go on and pre-order. I think she's fantastic. I have something super special planned for this kit, which I'll be very excited to share with you guys later, but I can't wait for you guys to see my version, and I will see you in the next one.